Hey amazings, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KARESS NICOLE. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different than anything else I have on my channel. I'm trying to do different series on my channel. This is going to be business savvy. So these two cards that you saw is something that I made previously for people's businesses. I really love how my cards came out. Today we're going to be making this card here. So if you want to see how we're going to make this, please stay tuned. Alright, now in order to make the business cards, you need to use two programs. You're going to be using CANVA.com and you're going to also be using Visiprint. Canva, they have a free trial, like a free thing that you could use, and you can also pay $10 a month. I am personally right now using the free version. I like it. You still have a lot of options here. So we're going to go over to create a design and we're going to look up business cards. Their business cards come in both horizontal and also vertical, which I really like with Canva, because Canva, they give you the correct dimensions for a business card. So yeah, here you will see all the designs and you go through it and you can pick anything here that's already pre-made for you, and you could type in your information in, or you can design it from the beginning from blank. So I'm just showing you here that you could use like this design if you wanted to, but I was really liking this one. I was just reviewing it and seeing how it looks, and I really did enjoy this. So what I'm going to do is use this template, but I am going to change a few things with it. So we're going to make up something for this business card. Her name is going to be Classy Jazzy, and she is a hairstylist and also a makeup artist. And her theme colors will be black, white, and a blue, like almost like a Tiffany blue. So these are the colors that we're using. So you can grab, they have glitter images here on Canva, and this is what I use for the background, which I changed. All you do is go to background on the side, the side tab on the left hand side, and you press glitter, and this is where you find the blue glitter. You have all different types of glitter. You have rose gold, you have regular gold, you have silver. Like, it's so many different images here, and you can definitely use it, as you can see there. And I'm just playing around trying to figure out where I want to place it. I honestly was placing them as I go. Like, I wasn't sure exactly to what I was doing, but at the end I like how everything worked out. And then you could change the fonts really easily. I changed her brand name to Classy Jazzy, and she does hair and makeup. Very cute and very simple, which I really did like. Then you go over to elements, and then you can go to frames. And then you can pick out a frame, like a classy frame. I thought this was, like, the oval shape was kind of classy. So this is what I use. And I just reshaped it to see how I like it onto the image. You can do whatever you want. Even though the oval frames were classy and nice, I decided to change it to more of like a diamond, because I feel like the diamond was more classier. You know, like, again, you could do whatever you want. This is what I chose for this classy for Jasmine. Also in the frames, what I like about the frames is you could put your own images in the frames. You would put, like, for this particular business card, this person, she's a hair and makeup artist, so I would put pictures of her own, like, that she uploaded, and I would put it within the frames. But also, what's also nice about Canva, they have so many stocked images that you could use, that you can add on to also your business cards. Like, these photos that I'm currently putting on are from the Canva site. Canva really has endless things that you could choose from. Like, there's so many images that they have. You could go through and figure out which one works for you. I'm going to be moving over to the back of the business card. I am changing the name to Jasmine Selvey, and she is a makeup artist and also a hairstylist. I play around with this a lot. I do change the font. I go back into the elements and I do grab another frame, and this is where I'm going to be placing her picture. So I'm moving things around, trying to figure out where I should have it placed. I want her picture to be center of the back of the card. Put your picture there, you know, as the artist, or whatever you are, your business or whatever, you will put it in the center of the frame, which works. You can change the information, the phone number, obviously the website to your page, also your address and everything. You can also change the image, like if it's too colorful for the card, you can change it in effects, and you can change it to black and white, which I did. I thought this was nice and clean. I started to play around with the front of the card to see if I wanted it to be black and white, but I went back over to the colored image in the front to make it more pop out a little bit more, and I kept the back of the card black and white. You can also add your logo onto the card if you wanted to. All you would have to do is on the left hand side there's a upload button, and already it should be saved to your computer. You can even do Canva from your phone. They have a app, and you would just upload your image, and then you can actually put your image, your logo, or whatever image you have onto your card. Like the card needed just a little bit more details, so I did go into elements, and then at the top search button I do put diamonds, and this is the diamond that I saw, and I put it in the front at first, and then I moved on to the back because I feel like the back needed a little bit more, jazz to it. So I started playing around with that. I'm changing the size and everything. You could duplicate it if you wanted to stay the same size that you originally had it. This is what I'm doing, just playing around, just watch what I do. And then I go back over to the front and I remove the diamonds because I felt like it was a little bit too much. If you didn't want to use diamonds, like if you wanted to stick to the hairstylist and also the makeup, you can type in blow dry or hair, and the image will pull up. And then you can change the color of the image, the color you want. Like honestly, you can have it any color. So I put it black and white, and I was just looking at the card to see if I really liked it, but I feel like the diamond on this card stands out just a little bit more. So that's what I ended up going with. So now I'm kind of done with Canva. This is what we are left with. Again, I do change the back. Now I'm going to be saving the image. You go over to download. You download it as a PDF print. And yes, this is what it looks like, which is really cute or whatever. Then you go into VistaPrint, you create an account and everything, but I already have an account with them. I go over to business cards. They are offering a free shipping, and shipping sometimes could be between $5 to I think $12, but so that free shipping comes in really handy. These are all different types of cards that they do offer. So I do pick the standard one because you really don't need that much, especially if you're handing them out to people and you need it in high demand. You could just get a regular horizontal business card. So this is the card that I am using. I do pull up the image because it's already saved to my computer, and I wait for everything to load up, and then I just basically copy and paste. I just paste it right onto the front of the card and also the back of the card. And this is basically what we have. What I do like about VistaPrint, like they have different quantities of cards that you can get. I would recommend to get the 500 cards, and I think it's about $36, which was $36 for 500 cards because I also printed on the back side and I wanted a full color image. So yeah, you got to think about all of that. All of that comes into to play with the pricing. If you want to add color, if you want actually an image on the back, the prices do go up. When you do receive your cards from VistaPrint, this is how it looks. It is showing you how it looks in somebody's hand, which is really amazing. So I go forward over to the process. They offer a standard, which is 14 point. I think that's the thickness of the card. And they have matte finish, glossy or uncoated. I feel like glossy is more classy and it looks more professional, so this is what I went with. They do have different options. I think that 500 cards is $36. You really can't beat that. I also have a code that you can use. I got it off Retail Me Not. It's VP Extra 20. Also, VistaPrint does offer you like different card holders. I do recommend getting it from Amazon because it's cheaper and it's still nice. I got me a really nice one I'm going to show you in a different video. But yeah, again, use code BP Extra 20 and you'll save 20% off of your whole entire order. See, I got you, sis. I got you. I really hope I helped you, and if you have any questions, please leave it down below and I will respond back. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It's free. I'm going to come out with more business savvy videos. And I'm just gonna have a whole bunch of different things on my channel. I hope you guys again did enjoy this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.